Go equals.
gehen.
English to German, laugh and learn. Synapse Lingo, welcome. Hey there, language champ. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll make the German verb
Gehen.
your new superpower, short, funny, and effective. Stick around till the end for a quick challenge and goodies. Your goal today. You and I will lock in all present tense forms plus the handy phrase for it's okay. Ready? Infinitive.
Gehen.
I go.
Ich gehe.
You go, singular, friendly.
Du gehst.
He goes.
Geht.
She goes.
Sie geht.
It's okay, it goes.
Es geht.
We go.
Wir gehen.
You go, plural.
Ihr geht.
They go.
Sie gehen.
Beat the forms. Clap or tap along. I'll say it, you echo it after the pause. Say.
Ich gehe.
Say.
Du gehst.
Say.
Geht.
Say.
Sie geht.
Say.
Es geht.
Say.
Wir gehen.
Say.
Ihr geht.
Say.
Sie gehen.
Bonus chant. Boom clap.
Gehen.
Boom clap.
Gehen.
Mini sketch. Coffee shop chaos. Here's a tiny scene. Listen, laugh, then repeat the German lines after each pause. I'm caffeinated.
Ich gehe.
To the bakery. Friend, green light.
Du gehst.
First, I'll follow. Narrator, look.
Geht.
Left, dramatic cape included. Narrator, and.
Sie geht.
Right, pretending it's cardio. Cashier, how's your day? You shrug.
Es geht.
Team chant. Let's do this.
Wir gehen.
Together. Guide to the group. Folks.
Ihr geht.
Inside, snacks first. Boss whispers. Meeting's over.
Sie gehen.
Now before the cookies vanish. Culture tip. The mighty get. Level up your small talk like a local. In German, people often ask.
Wie geht's?
A very natural, modest reply is.
Es geht.
Meaning, so, or, it's okay. Pro tip. Use.
Gehen.
For going on foot and save.
Fahren.
For vehicles, your sneakers say.
Gehen.
Your bus says.
Fahren.
Lightning drills. Quick call and response. Answer out loud after the pause. Say, we go, in German. Answer.
Wir gehen.
Say, you go, singular, friendly. Answer.
Du gehst.
Say, they go. Answer.
Sie gehen.
Say, she goes. Answer.
Sie geht.
Say, he goes. Answer.
Geht.
Say, it's okay. Answer.
Es geht.
Speed rhyme. Repeat the rhyme twice. Let the rhythm carry you. We stand, we see, we go.
Wir stehen. Wir sehen. Wir gehen.
And if asked, how's it? Say.
Es geht.
Your turn, 20-second challenge. Create your own 2-line mini-story using any 3 forms. Prompt idea, at 8.
Ich gehe.
To the gym, at 9.
Wir gehen.
For coffee, by 10.
Sie gehen.
To work. Now you, speak your version out loud. Bonus. Point to a door and declare one form dramatically.
Ihr geht.
Or.
Du gehst.
Like a movie director. Wrap up and high five. Nice work, you just made.
Gehen.
Go from theory to action. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Ich gehe. Du gehst. Geht. Sie geht. Es geht. Wir gehen. Ihr geht. Sie gehen.
During your day, on the street, in the mirror, or with your coffee. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and goodies. See you next time. Until then, keep calm and
gehen.